Understanding your escrow account statement can be confusing, so we'll break it down for you. Each year, Guild reviews your escrow account and sends you a statement detailing any changes over the previous escrow cycle, which is typically a 12-month period. This statement identifies the changes to your escrow payment, including any shortage or surplus of funds since the last analysis. In the top right-hand corner of your statement, you'll see your old monthly payment amount, the new payment amount as a result of the analysis, and the date the new payment becomes effective. The previous projection section lists what was anticipated as your escrow disbursement, while the actual account history details each disbursement that was made over the last analysis cycle. Finally, the last section provides a projection for the coming year and estimates your escrow amount based on what was actually paid during the last cycle. Depending on state and federal requirements, the required minimum balance, shown as your target balance on your escrow account, is equal to 2 months of escrow payments. Changes to your payment are shown in the Payment Change Recap section. This includes identifying the shortage or surplus in your escrow account. If you have a shortage, the repayment is spread over the next 12 months as part of your escrow payment, but you can choose to pay the shortage in full with one lump sum. If your loan is current and you have a surplus of $50 or more, you'll receive a refund check. If the surplus is less than $50, it is applied to lower your monthly payment. Now you know more about reading your escrow statement. If you have any additional questions, we're always here for you.